Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I'm working with somebody to draw this, a more complex than this, but they're going to get the idea after they realize this, and I just drew this to make a simple one for the video. Really easy. Take the rectangle tool, holding down the control button, and let's rotate it 45 degrees. Now we need to make it a round number, so we're going to make it 10 inches. We can always change the size. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 10 inches. First of all, I'm going to put it in the center. And I am going to hit the plus key and move over, hit the plus key and move over, or you can control D and move up. It doesn't really matter, because if you go back to the one, you're not doubling up. So I'm just going to draw this simple one. I am going to select them all now and go up to Object and convert them to a curve. When I do that, I got my nodes. I'm going to swipe through those three nodes and hit delete. Look at that. Really simple teardrop type shape. Now we can take all this and let's make them 1/2 inch wide. But if we go to Object now and make it better, convert the outline to an object. And I'm sorry that's off the screen, but I just left click, right click, no fill. And now I'm going to weld it. And Smart Fill tool. Do anything you want, any color you want. Take away the outline, just have a color. Whenever you take away the outline on a Smart Fill, the outline is actually still there. Let's see what this looks like in our black box. I've really started showing stuff off in the black box. Let me hit P and put it in the center of the page. Let me take that and get rid of it. Let me put P and put that in the center of the page. The black box really kind of shows it off. And there's still a lot you could do with this. You know, you could take the interactive fill tool and go from there to there. And, whoop, I was actually on the black. So I need to pick my graphic, go to interactive fill tool. And there's a lot you could do with it. I mean, you could put red down here. And just look how it really shows off how it blends the color between yellow and the red. Now you could do really complex things and just use the same steps. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.